Hi everyone! If you're interested in some family-friendly content, then this channel's for you. My name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. I'm going to teach you how to draw a really cute cartoon, and then I'm going to teach you fun facts throughout the entire lesson, so make sure you stay till the end. All you're going to need is a pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper.
Right, first we're going to start with the eyes. Draw one in about the center of the paper. We want to leave room around because we're going to draw a long body and some wings. Let's draw the head. I'm going to leave it off-centered a little because I'm going to do another eye here.
There are 5,000 species of different dragonflies on every continent except Antarctica because it's too cold. Their wingspan can average between 2 and 5 inches wide.
Let's go ahead and add in pupils and a cute little mouth. Alright, now the next body segment. A little U, this is where the wings are going to come off, and then this is where the tail is going to attach. So let's go ahead and add the tail.
Dragonflies' eyes cover their entire head. Each eye consists of 30,000 facets that helps them receive information about things that are all around them. Their only blind spot is right behind their head, giving them nearly 360-degree vision. They also have better vision than humans and can see ultraviolet light.
I'm going to add some segments on that. Alright, now let's add the wings. We're going to do 4. And they're going to come out pretty large. So we're going to start at the back, move it around, and connect. And the second one's going to go right underneath. Now they're going to go on the other side, so they're going to start at the back of the neck. Pretend you're drawing right here, and have it loop around. And it's like invisibly going back to here.
Dragonflies lay their eggs in water, and once their eggs hatch, they live underwater for 2 to 4 years. While they're in their larval stage, they'll molt about a dozen times before they are the flying dragonflies that you see outside.
That'll give you the feeling that they connect in the back. Right, now let's add a little bit of texture and decor. And then just like the bee, let's draw some little tip marks in there. And go ahead and repeat that.
Dragonflies are aquatic. They spend most of their lives underwater. They like to eat things like tadpoles and small fish. As dragonflies mature, they become the prey to animals like frogs, turtles, spiders, and birds. Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Dragonflies are expert flyers. They can fly up to 30 miles per hour, making them the fastest insects. They can beat their wings 30 times in a second, which helps them hover like a helicopter or move in any direction very quickly. They also have 2 sets of wings that can all move independently of each other. Dragonflies love to munch on those dreaded mosquitoes and can eat up to 100 a day. They are extremely fierce hunters and catch their prey mid-air. When they catch their prey with their feet, they rip off their wings and eat them while they're flying. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Check out last week's art class here. And if there's something you want to draw and learn more about, send me a message over on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe for more upcoming art lessons. I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.